Hi, I'm Hunter.
And I'm Carson.
Our topic is the Battle of Vienna, one of the most important battles of World War II.
Why would such a battle take place is one of the questions you should think about.
We will be talking about the losses, like almost 29,000 German boats,
Also, we would like to talk about the battle strategies that happened in this war.
and how the world would be so much different without the war.
We'll have two guest speakers today. One is a sailor on one of the U.S. cruisers, and the other is a historian.
He will be interviewed by Hunter and asked about his experience.
We later will have a short clip to show you.
It will tell you a lot of main facts from the Battle of Vienna.
We have lots of facts to share with you about this important battle.
And please pay attention because this is the most important battle of World War II.
Enjoy our presentation on this important battle.
Okay, so I want to tell you a little bit about this picture that we have for our background. These are all U.S. cruisers, and they're all headed to Europe to help with UK on helping them get merchant ships, food, and supplies. And now we have our guest speaker, Robert Smith.
Hello, everyone.
Robert, what did you do in the Battle of Vienna?
I was a sailor on a U.S. cruiser.
Interesting. Why did the battle take place?
Well, the Nazis had just taken over Europe and was trying to take over the United Kingdom.
Really?
Yeah, and Winston Churchill signed a document with the United States saying the U.S. would ship food and supplies to the U.K. especially when it started.
Why did they have to ship supplies to the UK?
Because the Nazis were trying to starve the U.K. so they would surrender the land by destroying anyone and all their merchant ships which carried food and supplies.
Really? Do you have any cool stories you would like to share with us?
There was a plane flying over the Atlantic, and it spotted a German submarine, and it went down the bomb, and it let the bomb go. The bomb hit the water, skipped, went up and hit the plane that had let the bomb go.
Wow, that's amazing. Okay, on to our next set of questions. These questions will be about the battle strategy.
Okay, no problem.
Well, what are some of the battle strategies you had?
When supply ships would bring food to the UK, other cruisers would surround the ships with giant balloons tied to cables. So when the German aircrafts would try and bomb the supply ships, they would hit the cables and would cut the plane in half, and then it just hit the water.
Wow, did it work?
Yes, it was very effective. It made it harder for German airplanes to bomb the U.S. supply ships.
Well, let's talk about the capture of the U-505.
Okay, so what do you want to know?
First, tell us what a U-boat is.
It is a submarine / cruiser. It was an effective German ship that had radar. It would tell where you were, but you could not see them. It would come up on the surface and shoot you before you could attack. And by the time you could figure out you were getting attacked, you were sinking.
So then tell us what the U-505 is.
The U-505 was a boat that was captured by the Allies. It helped us intercept Axis codes. Once they improved the intercept training and installed the radar, that made it very difficult for viewers to attack.
Okay, these supply ships should have a route or a special route, they said, right?
Yes, they would pass through the Biscayne Bay. It was known as the Valley of Death.
Did they use this route the whole battle?
No, Germans eventually found out that they were using that to ship food and supplies to the UK, so they ambushed and sunk a lot of our recruits.
Oh, well that makes sense.
Their U-boats that came up from under, U-boats would come up from under them when they were, during the ambush, U-boats came up from under the merchant ships and shot them.
How many ships were sunk?
There were about 66 German U-boats, but I don't know how many U.S. boats were lost.
Okay, well that's all the time we have for this session.
Thank you, Captain.
Now we have a video to show you.
In 1942, as the Pacific Fleet recovered from the devastating attack on Pearl Harbor, the Atlantic Fleet faced its own crucial test against German U-boats. America thrust into World War II on the side of Great Britain. Germany's Admiral Carson sent his submarines to the U.S. Atlantic coastline to attack U.S. merchant ships. The objective? To starve Great Britain into submission. The U.S. ships carried food and supplies was attacked from the German Air Force. Without adequate supplies from America, the Germans Great Britain would be forced to surrender. The U.S. Navy's mission was to make sure enough supplies reached Great Britain to keep that country in the war. The German strategy nearly worked. During the first 8 months of U.S. participation in the war, December 1941 to August 1942, U-boats destroyed more than 100,000 tons of supplies off the U.S. coast. In mid-ocean, losses of supplies destined for Great Britain were even worse, totaling 1.2 million tons.
Hello and welcome back. We will have another guest speaker today named John Carson. Now we'll be talking about the losses in the Battle of the Atlantic.
Hello, I'm John Picasso.
John, what do you do?
I am a historian.
Okay, John. About how many people died in this battle?
About 30,000 people in total from both sides of the Allies and Axis died in total.
Wow, that's a lot of people.
Yes, about 6,000 people died each year.
Were there ever people who died from not having their ships destroyed?
Yes, some ships sunk from problems in the manufacture, but it was really rare.
How many ships did the United States sink?
Out of the 40,000 German boats, we sunk about 29,000 of them.
How many ships did the U.S. lose?
35,000 merchant ships and 175 warships were sunk.
Okay, now I want to ask you some questions about the timeline.
Okay.
When did the battle take place?
From 1939 to 1945.
So, long battle?
Yes, it lasted 5.5 years and was the longest battle in World War II.
Wow, and you were in it?
Yes, after the battle, I wanted to learn more about where I was and like how when I was in the battle, so I became the story.
Where in the Atlantic did the battle take place?
It was in the North Atlantic between Europe and U.S.
Was it really cold there?
Yes.
Tell us, were there ever prisoners, or were there any prisoners that were killed?
Well, if your ship was destroyed but you survived, there were prisoners, but it's hard to say where they take you.
Wow, that must have been scary.
Yes, it was.
Well, that's all the time we have for today.
Thanks for having me.
Finally, the conclusion of our presentation.
There are 3 main points that we want you to remember.
The first is how many terrible losses from both sides there were.
In this battle, you should mainly remember all the men who gave their lives.
There were almost 30,000 people from each side in total that night.
Secondly, the weapons and how many people were working to make almost 16 cruisers a day in America.
Finally, we'd like to remember about the battle strategies.
Without the capture in the battle strategy to capture the U-505, the Allies would most likely have never won.
Thank you for being a good audience.
Any questions?